In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So what you want to do is first you want to open up your Snapchat app. Once you have opened up your Snapchat app, make sure to go to the top left on your profile. And if you already don't have your Bitmoji, make sure to create it. Now that I have created it, I want to go to the settings at the top right and then scroll down until you see Bitmoji. Click on Bitmoji and then remove my Bitmoji and then click on remove. And now that you have removed it, you can create your avatar one more time. And here you can choose your gender, male or female. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.